Hi, this is Matt Z from the Matt Z Trading Show, and today I wanted to talk about FCMs, which are future clearing merchants, versus introducing brokers. Today's email comes from Ryan from South Carolina. He wrote a very long email, but I'm going to get just to the gist of it, okay? What is the difference between an FCM and an introducing broker? I shouldn't really say versus because we work together, but a lot of customers are asking, why would I open an account with an introducing broker as opposed to going directly to the FCM itself? One of the misconceptions that there are is that it would be cheaper for people to go over there. And this is not always true. Specifically, there are salespeople at the FCM level that are brokers who work there. They have their own percentages that they split with the FCM and so forth. So that all depends on the individual salesman that is over there. Going to the FCM directly does not mean that you're going to the top level and you will deal with the top level guy. If you're a small trader, who will be able to give you the best commission possible. Many times through introducing brokers, we have an arrangement with them where they basically do not try and take our business away, which means that when we come to an FCM and we negotiate with them, we say, okay, this is the commissions you charge, this is the commission we charge, let's be fair to one another and so forth. And many times introducing brokers can potentially get even much cheaper commissions than an individual trader would get at the FCM level because they simply rely on us on income. It's good faith, and sometimes we give them enough business to justify lower rates for the introducing broker, therefore reducing it to the customer directly. There are independent introducing brokers like Optimus, like our company Optimus Futures, and we clear currently right now through 5 FCMs. And the advantage of that from a customer perspective is that you can have maybe an account with 2 FCMs, with 2 trading platforms, or using 2 different services through 2 different FCMs, but nevertheless have only one office that will take care of all your needs. So for example, you can have trading, for example, managed futures in one FCM, having your online account with another FCM, automated trading in another FCM, and so forth. Okay, so having one account, why should you go to an IB? The idea is that we service you for all your needs. Typically, FCMs, or at least some of the FCMs that we deal with, are very, very big. And they have different departments for every little thing out there. There's an online department, there's a wire department, there's a treasury department. Everybody takes care of their customers within that department. So people often don't like to be bounced around in big companies from one department to another. An introducing broker can do everything for you. So we can address all your needs through one person over here without bouncing you around and so forth. And what we try to do when we work with customers who call us is really to be very objective and send them to the right FCM. Therefore, we give them the right guidance as far as where we think their trading needs will be met. And this is one of the benefits of an independent introducing broker. The idea is to create the right relationship from the first place, because a typical futures trader will bounce around, I would say, in my experience, at least 3 to 4 times until he finds the appropriate home. So what we try to do at Optimus is to find the right home from the first place. I just want to remind everyone that futures trading is very risky. Past performance is not indicative of future results. You should only use risk capital in your trading, and it should not affect your lifestyle, livelihood, income, and so forth. If you have any questions, please email me, askmatt@optimusfutures.com. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.